Welcome back to Freshco Graphics. Whether you're a returning viewer or joining us for the first time, we're thrilled to have you. Subscribe now for captivating insights into home and interior design. Elegant interiors, weaving a tale with black and white Toile de Jouy. Step into a world where pastoral charm meets sophisticated elegance with the timeless pattern of Toile de Jouy. This classic French fabric, traditionally depicting intricate scenes of romance and rural life, translates beautifully into wallpaper, especially in a striking black-on-white colorway. It brings a narrative quality to a home, telling stories on the walls while maintaining a crisp, graphic presence. A black and white palette ensures the design remains versatile and modern, avoiding any hint of fussiness. Integrating this pattern into a classic French house creates a harmonious dialogue between historical artistry and contemporary living. This video will explore how to infuse this iconic motif into every room, crafting a space that is both storied and serene. The classic French home exterior or facade often features pale limestone, manicured hedges, and climbing ivy. To hint at the interiors, consider a black-on-white toile pattern on outdoor throw pillows for garden furniture. A subtle black wrought iron gate or balcony railing can elegantly echo the wallpaper's dark lines. This creates a cohesive transition from the pastoral garden themes to the interior decor. Make a powerful first impression by papering your entryway in a black-on-white Toile de Jouy. The high-contrast pattern immediately establishes a theme of refined elegance for the entire home. Pair it with a simple dark wood console table and a gilded ornate mirror to enhance the classic feel. A black and white checkerboard tile floor would provide a timeless and grounding foundation for the space. The living room is the perfect canvas to fully embrace the narrative beauty of Toile de Jouy. Papering a single accent wall or the entire room creates a captivating storybook backdrop for both relaxation and entertaining. To keep the space from feeling overwhelming, balance the detailed walls with solid, plush furnishings in neutral tones like cream, beige, or gray. Incorporate rich textures through a velvet sofa, a rustic wooden coffee table, and a soft sheepskin rug to add depth and comfort. Finally, accent with polished brass or gold in lighting fixtures and mirror frames to introduce a touch of luxe warmth. The result is a room that feels both grand and inviting, a true heart for the home. Transform your bedroom into a serene and romantic retreat by adorning the walls behind the bed with a black-on-white toile print. This creates a dreamy focal point that is both dramatic and soothing, perfect for a space dedicated to rest. Upholster your headboard in a complementary solid black or soft gray fabric to anchor the bed within the patterned walls. Choose crisp white linens with delicate textural details to maintain a light and airy feel that contrasts beautifully with the dark motifs. Soft, ambient lighting from crystal table lamps and a vintage-inspired chandelier will enhance the intimate atmosphere. The overall effect is a timeless sanctuary that feels personally curated and effortlessly elegant. Elevate your dining experience by enveloping the room in a scenic black and white toile wallpaper. The pattern encourages leisurely meals and lively conversation, reminiscent of a French countryside estate. A substantial dark-wood dining table grounds the space, while Louis XVI-style chairs upholstered in white or cream provide classic comfort. Complete the look with a statement crystal chandelier and simple white porcelain dinnerware to let the walls remain the star of the show. Introduce a touch of French charm into the kitchen by using Toile de Jouy as a backsplash or on a feature wall. This softens the hard surfaces of a kitchen and adds immense character without sacrificing style. For a cohesive look, choose cabinetry painted in a classic white or a soft, muted gray to complement the wallpaper's background. Open chelelling displaying white dishes and black cast iron pans will tie the functional space back to the decorative theme. Create a truly unique and elegant bathroom by applying this classic wallpaper, ensuring proper ventilation for the material. The black and white scheme feels incredibly fresh and clean, perfectly suited for a bathroom's purpose. Pair it with traditional fixtures like a freestanding clawfoot tub and polished nickel faucets for a timeless look. White subway tiles on the wet areas and plush black and white towels will complete this sophisticated spa-like retreat.